Hi, TECHknitter here, showing tacking, which is also called freeform pin striping. How these tails came to be parked on the surface of the fabric is all explained in the blog. And I'm working on a banner, so these are the letters of the banner. And again, that's all explained in the blog. So I won't waste your time with that now. This is a knit picker. It's a tiny latch hook. It has this little latch. And I'm working with thread. You can see the thread, the loop of the thread around the knit picker. So what I do now is I insert the hook into the next stitch up the column, which will be this stitch here. And now I flip over and make sure that I have caught a tail. And I have. You can see that when I catch this thread over the hook and close the latch, that I'll be making a loop to hold this tail onto the back of the fabric. Okay, I just got to grab that again. Okay, pull it through to the front, and it comes through the previous loop. And in this way, I'm making loops on the back like stitches that are holding in the tails on the back. One more time, insert to the back, catch the thread under the hook, close the latch, and draw through. So let's take a look at what's going on the back. There you see that the back, that these tails are now held down on the back. Once I've gotten all the way to the end here, I would pull the tails through so that they're no longer parked on the front, but now they're pulled through to the back of the fabric. And that is how you tack down the tails in banner knitting, which were previously parked on the front of the fabric. So here's where those two tails were just pulled through, and you see it leaves no trace. And this is the tacking. It's very hard to see, even very close up. It just basically disappears. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you back at the blog.